Breaking news, primary passengers! Get ready for the trip of your life! I will be your pilot to discover artists around the world.
And I will be the STEM security. And I will be your technical coordinator.
Greetings, passengers. This is your pilot. Don't forget your passport as we take flight this year in art. What we'll be doing is we'll be coming to you. You'll stay in your seats in your classroom and we'll bring you all the things you need for your in-flight adventure. We'll start our journey with our very own passports and we'll move around the world as we explore and meet artists everywhere. As a reminder, artists have a very important role. You are an artist. You need to always do your best. Respect each other, take care of supplies, use your inside voices, please. Stay on task, and don't forget we can turn our mistakes into masterpieces.
Hello again. This is your STEM security because safety is my main priority. We will be joining you in your homeroom with all of the supplies that you're going to need to create souvenirs from all of your destinations. And since we cannot work in partners this time, you will get to take those souvenirs home as soon as they're ready. Couple of rules to remember. When I get there, you cannot open anything in your tin until I say so, and what we are using are tools, not toys. Remember, even though it might look like a toy, we are using tools, not toys, because safety is the most important thing. I can't wait to see you at every destination. Bye!
Greetings, passengers. Strap yourselves in for a big adventure. This year you actually get to travel to the tech classroom. When you get to the tech classroom, you will be researching all the different countries that you'll be traveling to, and virtually, we are going to go everywhere.
Passengers, prepare for takeoff!